I'm gonna go ahead and wait until the YouTube stream starts so I can mute myself because I don't want to hear myself twice. Good morning, Saul. Better late than never, right? Anyways, let me go ahead and type in the link again for the Jamboard. I think actually I should already have it pasted. Yeah. Okay, so let's take a look at what we're going to be doing today. We start at the 0.73 and we move down 1 unit. Where do you end? So first things first, we want to graph the 0.73. The 0.73, what's my x value? Is it the 7 or the 3? What is my x value? Okay, I have one answer. I have 2 answers, 3 answers, 4 answers. Free participation points right here, y'all. All you got to do is type into the chat what you think the x value is. Thank you, Bricia. Thank you, Irista. Sheila, gracias. Enrica, Jade, Michael, Stephanie, Fatima. Why am I getting... Thank you, Angel. It does. You don't have to be right or wrong. I mean, yeah. I'm just asking for your what y'all think the answer is. Ha. Absolutely. So the majority of the class say it's 7, and you are all correct. The 7 is my x. So what does that leave me with my y? What does y equal? The 3, right? Thank you all for participating. Just a heads up, by participating, you're getting free participation points. So now we want to graph our 0.73. We know x values go side to side and y values go up and down. So 7,3 means you start at the origin here at the corner, 0, 0, and x equals 7 is going to be over here, okay? X equals 7 is going to be here. Y equals 3 is going to be on this line here, exactly right here. So then where's the point? Well, you're going to do this. You're going to see where they meet up. That's the point we're looking for. This point is 7,3. But we're not finished. In fact, that's not what we're supposed to do. We're supposed to move down 1 unit. So our actual point is this one. What are the new coordinates of that point? What's the x value? And what's the y value? 7, 2? Irista, can you unmute yourself and tell me why it's 7, 2? By the way, you're correct. But can you just tell me why it's 7, 2?
It's 7-2 because you were supposed to move down 1 unit.
Ah, okay, thank you. So Irisa said, we're only moving down by 1, so the 3 becomes a 2, right? Since we're moving down by 1, the 3 becomes a 2. Beautiful. Any questions? Okay, let's move forward. You start at 2 comma 6. You move 3 units to the right. Where do you end up? Again, first thing you want to do, write out your point. 2 comma 6. From the previous problem, x equals 2, y equals 6. So when we graph it, x equals 2, y equals 6. So our point is going to be up here. We are moving 3 units to the right. Wait, I just realized on your screen, does it show me actually moving to the right, or am I moving to the left right now? Like my hands, is it moving to the left or to the right? It's going in the opposite direction? Oh, that is hilarious. I am so sorry. I probably confuse some of y'all when I say go up and I'm actually going down. Okay, what about now? Is it working? Am I going to the right? My God. You know what? It's whatever, okay? So we want to move 3 units to the right. So 1, 2, 3. What's my new x value now? 5, right? Because I moved 5. And my y value still is 6. So then my new point would be 5, comma, 6. Any questions on this particular one? Somebody just asked, are we going to have to graph it? No. In fact, you don't even have to graph it. All you have to do is state the new point. But I'm showing you visually what is happening so you can get a better sense of how to do these problems. We start at 7, 1, and we move 1 to the left. 7, right? Because this is our x and this is our y. 1. So that's my new point. I am moving 1 to the left. Left, right. So I need to go to the left. Somebody who I have not heard from. Kathy, I haven't heard from you today. What's my new point? What's the x and what's the y? Kathy? Ah, for the red point, for the red point, for the red point. For the red point. Yes, x equals 6 and y equals 1. Perfect. Thank you so much. Are there any questions about why it's x equals 6 and y equals 1? All right. Well, I think it's time for us to get started on our classwork then. Let me first give you this link. If everybody could please click on it and be sure to log in using, what's it called? Use Google to log in. Breakout groups. Let me know when you have logged in to IXL using your Google account by typing into the chat finished. Thank you, Enrica. Thank you, Irista. Thank you, Bricia. Thank you, Fatima. Thank you to everybody else. I'm creating breakout groups right now, so I'm not able to necessarily say thank you all. I'm gonna put 3 people instead of 4 people in breakout groups. And just a reminder, you don't, I don't want to say that actually. I do want people to turn on their mics and talk to each other, obviously about academics, but if y'all start talking about, I don't know, random stuff, just be sure to also work on your work. Now that I've given everybody the link to log in to IXL, I am going to now put the link for the IXL that you are going to be working on today. When you click on the IXL and you see your name on the top right corner, please type into the chat, ready. Ooh, I myself need to log into IXL. Thank you, Enrica. Thank you, Fatima. Thank you, Jade. I see some of you already. Thank you, Bricia. Thank you, Michael. Thank you, Angel. Thank you, Valeria. All right. So this is what's going to happen. I'm going to open up breakout groups. Virgil, I went ahead and created a breakout group with you. We're going to be working on this assignment. If you get to a 70, technically that's enough to get credit for the IXL. If you can get 100, you send me proof that you got 100, and I will send a talking points message home, letting your parents know that you got a perfect score on the IXL, okay? If you finish early, there are a bunch of IXL assignments that you still need to complete, so please use this time wisely. I'll be checking in with some of you, assuming you haven't logged in IXL or if you're missing certain assignments. Nonetheless, good luck. Honesty, Noah and Miguel, just giving you a heads up. We're in breakout groups right now, okay? Are you there, Noah? Hey, Anna, which group were you in? Group 3. I got you, fam. Noah, are you there? All right, let's send an email out.
Hey, you think you can put me and Angel in a different breakout room so we can work together?
I got you. The rest of them feel like they know what's going on.
Yeah, Noah just got there, so I haven't had time to check in with him. But
Yeah, I tried. I was trying to talk to him, but he was just like MIA, and he just literally just joined.
yeah, I don't know. We gotta talk to Cher about that. He just joined right now.
Yeah, he literally just went inside the breakout group right now. Um, but I realized that Talking Points doesn't have his information. So I'm sending that email right now to I think it's David who figures all that stuff out.
Uh-huh.
and asking him like, why is this information not on there? Because it's possible his family opted out, which then it's like, how the heck do we communicate with the family then?
Yeah.
Anyways, you and Angel,
Yes, please.
okie dokies. I just realized somebody's watching the stream on YouTube. I usually don't look at the stream on YouTube. I just open it up for my students. I have no idea who about everything is. Who are you? Try. Okay, let's see who is online. Oh, a lot of people are making progress. This is good. Mendoza Island. Okay, let's join a breakout group. Let me see, who else is struggling? Let me refresh it. Angel is getting there. That was Cristiano. Bricia, okay. What breakout group are they in? I forget that when when I come back from a breakout group, I mute myself or I get muted. Give ourselves another 5 seconds for people to trickle in. Welcome back, everybody. I am so proud of all of your perseverance and work. I want to give a shout out to Jenny Sales Mata. She got a 100 on this. She didn't tell me, but I'm checking the score. So I want to give a shout out to you. I will be sending a talking points message home congratulating you. Everybody else, there's a lot of you who like are in the 50s and the 60s. You can get 100, okay? Just take it slow, enjoy the ride. Um, One last thing before I head out, your homework today is to get to 70, okay? So I want you to push yourself. If you're struggling, feel free to reach out to me, okay? I'm always willing to, if you send me a picture of the problem you're working on, I'm more than happy to help you through that problem, okay? Um, if I'm playing video games, I'll probably respond after my video game session. If I'm eating food, I'll respond after I'm eating food. If I'm getting chased by dogs in the neighborhood, I'll probably text you after I don't get chased by dogs in the neighborhood. Um, and one other thing, the first number tells you if you're going to the right or to the left. The second number tells you if you're going up or if you're going down. Y'all are doing this correctly. You're just messing up. You're confusing the two, okay? You're confusing the two. What is the name of your YouTube channel? I don't have a YouTube channel. It's more of a, ¿cómo se dice? It's just my channel. Here,
Uh, sorry, Maestro. They just got to get to number 70 on the IXL.
they got to get to 70, or if they only get to like the 50s and the 60s, but I see that they put in a lot of work, I'll also take that into consideration.
All right, sounds good.
Yeah, so it's just a matter of like how much time and effort the students are putting in. Brian, I put in my YouTube channel in the chat box for you. I sent it to you as a, como se dice, as a private message. Everybody else, I'm so proud of you. Drink water, go out there and vote.